So welcome guys to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving a brief and detailed summary on how this platform called MCrypto works and how you can earn in cryptos, the step-by-step process for beginners. So now, let me go to the app. This is how the app looks like. Now, how do you earn? You play games, complete surveys. Surveys are not available right at the moment. Do top offers, do app tags, earn scratch cards by playing games. Then you can redeem your rewards when you hit the minimum withdrawal of $0.3, which is 2,900 coins. Now let me check my history. As you can see, guys, I've been paid. So this is just the brief overview of how this app works. In my next video, I'm going to be making a detailed explanation on how you can earn and maximize your earnings on these platforms, and how you can withdraw successfully. So in order for you not to miss the video, kindly hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video.